एक्सरसाइज 3.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, जिसमें द कोच ऑफ क्रिकेट टीम बाय 3 bats and 6 balls. The total cost of 3 bats and 6 balls are 3,900 rupees. So here two things, bat and balls. So let me suppose one cost of one bat be X rupees and the cost of one ball be Y rupees. Now according to the questions, so here given that in question, first we cricket coach by 3, what you have to bought bat, and after that ball, so 3 bat means 3x and 6 balls, that means 6y. So the total cost of is 3,900. Now here common of 3x and 6y is 3. So here we write x plus 2y. दोनों में से 3 कॉमन निकल गया और वो 3,900 के डिवाइड में चले जाएंगे. So the equation is x plus 2y equals to 1,300. Now here the solution in table is x equals to, first we have to make the equation in the x form. So x equals to 1,300 minus 2y. So minus 2y हो जाएंगे. यहाँ पर जो लेफ्ट साइड प्लस 2y है उसे हम क्या कर देंगे, माइनस 2y कर देंगे. Students, first if we put the value of y equals to 650, then it's multiply by 2, then answers come 1,300 and minus 1,300. So answers become x equals to 0. क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, y की वैल्यू हमें फर्स्ट क्या रखनी है, 650. अगर हम y की जगह 650 रख रहे हैं, उसे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेम थिंग्स 1,300 आएंगे और उसमें से माइनस करेंगे तो x की जो वैल्यू है वो कितनी हो जाएगी, 0. आफ्टरवर्ड इफ वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y इक्वल्स टू 0, देन what happen, 2 multi 0 is 0. So answers become x equals to 1,300. And afterward if we take the value of y equals to 600, so 600 multiplied by 2 then equals to 1,200. So it's a subtract from 1,300, then answers come 100. Now second equation, in the question given that the condition, afterward if we 1 bat and 3 balls we have what, then the total cost of is 1,300. So here we write 1 bat, that means 1 bat price is x. First we have suppose. Afterward 3 balls, that means balls just we have suppose y rupees, and 3 balls, that means 3y. So x plus 3y equals to, total cost is 1,300. So the equation is x plus 3y equals to 1,300. Now the equation we have to make in x form. So x equals to 1,300 minus 3y को हम minus कर देंगे. Now the solution table is, if we take value of y equals to 300, so value of x equals to 400. 3 multiplied by 300 is 900. So 1,300 minus 900 then equals to 400. And if we put the value of y equals to 400, so 400 multiplied by 3, then it's 1,200. Then the answers become x equals to 100. And if we take the value of y equals to 100, so it's 300, and it subtract from the 1,300, then the answers come x equals to 1,000. Now both the equations we have make the solution table. Now it's represent on the graph.
Now both the equations we have make the solution with the table and now represent on the graph. So first on x axis we have taking 1 centimeter equals to 100 unit, and on a y axis we have taking 1 centimeter equals to 50 unit. Now first equation, and we have make the table y equals to, if we take x equals to 400, then we get 300. So 400 on x axis and 300 on y axis. Now it's see on table and draw on graph 400 on x axis and on y axis here now 300. So the point plotting here. Afterward on x axis 100, so here we take x axis 100 and upward we have to go, then we get 400 on y axis. so 100 and 400. Next, plotting the point 1000 on x axis and y axis 100. So 1000 on x axis and same this point on y axis 100. So the point plotting here. Now join 3 points and all the 3 points lies on a same line. So it's a which type of x plus 3y equals to 1300. So afterward, next second equation, and their solution table is given that value of x is 0 and the value of y equals to 650. So on y axis 650, here we have plotting this point. Afterward, x axis 1300. So see on x axis 1300 and on the y axis 0. So here we plot both the point, and afterward 100 x axis. So on x axis 100 and the next point is on y axis 600. So the point here we plotting. So all the 3 points if we join, then make the same line, linear equation, linear line. So x plus 2y then equals to 1300 is the second equation.
Question number 3, in given that cost of 2 kg apples and cost of 1 kg grapes is 160 rupees. Afterward, it's given that 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes price is 300. So now let the cost of 1 kg apple be x rupees. So first here we write cost of 1 kg apple be x rupees and cost of second thing is grapes. So here we write cost of 1 kg grape equals to y rupees. Now according to the questions, जैसे कि हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि फर्स्ट 2 kg एप्पल दैट मींस 2x एंड 1 kg grapes that means y. So 2x plus y equals to 160. Now here make the equation in y form. So y equals to 160 minus 2x. Now if we put the value of x equals to 50, x की जगह हम 50 रख रहे हैं, 52 जा 100, 160 में से 100 माइनस करेंगे, so the value of y equals to 60. Afterward if we take the value of x is 40. So 40 multiplied by 2, it's 80. So it's subtract 160 minus 80 equals to 80. And afterward x equals to, if we take 30, then 30 to the 60. 160 minus 60 equals to 100. Now the second condition is given that cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grape, then the total cost is 300. 4 kg apple that means 4x and 2 kg grapes. First here 2 kg apples that means 4 kg apple that means 4x and 2 kg grapes. So here we write 2y, 4x plus 2y, then the total cost equals to 300. Now here common of two terms is 2. So here we write 2x plus y. दोनों में से 2 common निकल गए. So 2x plus y and here 300. So afterward it's divided by 2. Then equation becomes, second equation is 2x plus y equals to 150. And here first equation. So afterward make that is in y form. So it's minus 2x plus 150. Now if we put the value of x equals to 50, so 50 to the 100. So 150 minus 100. So it's become y equals to 50. Afterward if we take value of 30, then answers come 90. And if we put the value of x equals to 25, then the value of y equals to 100. So here both the equation and here we make the solution of the table. So now it's represented on the graph.
Now in question number 3, we have making the solution table. So first solution table is on equation 2x plus y equals to 160, that this one. So if we take the value of x is 50, then value of y equals to 60. So 50 on x axis and what about on y axis? On y axis 60. Now plotting point this one. Afterward 40 and 80. On x axis 40 and same line the point on y axis is 80. Afterward 30 on x axis and on y axis point be 100. So the plotting point here. Now join 3 points on the same line and the equation is 2x plus y equals to 160. Afterward second equation and the solution table is here given that on x axis and y axis both the points 50 50. So here we see on x axis 50 and same line on y axis 50 also. So the point to be plotting here, and afterward on x axis 30 and y axis 90. So here we see on x axis 30, here this point to be plotted here 30 and here 90. So the point we have to plotting 30 and 90 here. Afterward next third point 25 and 100. So 25 will be on x axis here there and afterward on y axis 100. So the plotting point B here we have to plot. Now all the 3 points lies in a single line. So the equation 2x plus y equals to 150 here we have to draw.